guys, it is Simone, and today we're gonna go ahead and get tape-ins done at the salon called Perfect Distractions. This is a full circle moment, guys. Like, I don't know if you guys remember, but about 2 years ago or a year and a half ago, I did an eye-tip installation on my little sister. We were looking for hair that would match her hair as close as possible, and we found this place. We only just bought it, did a little DIY thing, and you guys loved that video. It was the perfect match as far as hair texture, and my sister had great things to say about it. Like, she kept it in for a long time. Fast forward to 2 years later or a year and a half later, I'm in their salon chair getting my hair done. So the style that I'm getting today is tape-ins. I'm gonna put some facts on the video as you guys are watching it towards the end, but I want to go ahead and talk about what's happening right now. So I am getting a steam treatment. I was being taken care of by Iman. She was just so gentle with my hair, taking care of my hair, brushing it properly, detangling it, really making sure my hair had the best treatment. Now, I did a video a couple of months ago talking about the horrors of Atlanta hairstylists. So I don't know why I feel like I'm yelling in this video, so I'm gonna tone it down a little bit, but I'm just so excited because I feel like you guys know about the Atlanta horror stories when it comes to hairstylists, and to have found a really great one, like just seeing them do other people's hair and how they were just so like caring about other people and actually executing very well done styles, like makes me want to go back. And I actually have my protein treatment scheduled for next month before I get my braids, so that says a lot. So I'll be back. I am a customer. I'm like, listen, I found a salon, it's professional, it looks beautiful inside, it's clean, it's nice, you have to go. So definitely go ahead and check them out if you are in the Smyrna area or Sandy Springs. Okay, so my hair is all blow dried. The next step to getting tape-ins is you want to flat iron the hair. It doesn't have to be a super sleek flat iron. You just want to make the hair straight enough so that you can see what your foundation is going to be and what you're working with. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of breakage around the front and around the edges of my hair. Honestly, guys, I've been wearing sew-ins and I went a little wild. I'm not gonna even lie. After this, we went ahead and did a trim. My hair was in dire need of a trim. I wanted to cut it so much more shorter, but we decided that this would be the best to blend in with the tape-ins and then gradually cut it shorter over time to make it become full again. So this is how it looks after it was trimmed. It looks nice, it looks healthy, it looks back to being uniform. All the split ends, or most of them, are basically gone. Now, on to the fun part. So for the tape-in portion, I kind of didn't speed this part up too much. I wanted you guys to really see how to install if you are at home. So what you're gonna do is you basically want to start by putting the top tape-in on first and really applying some pressure onto that. And then you want to pick the hair up and a little bit that's underneath, the hair that might have become attached to the tape-in, and then put the bottom one on, and then it's gonna sandwich together. That's what tape-ins are. They basically are it's a tape on each piece, and then you squeeze the real hair in the middle of it, right? If that makes sense. But if you're looking, it should basically be self-explanatory a little bit. And when you're doing this, you want to start from the bottom and then work your way up to the top. Now, as we get to the top, we're going to strategically angle the tape-in so that we can do ponytails and many other styles. But look how good this blends in with my hair. Like, yes, it's kinky and it's more of a crinkly type of texture, but this is it in its natural state. When we flat iron it later on, guys, you're going to be like, what? That is a seamless blend. And in case you're wondering, The process is not painful at all. There is not even an ounce of pain. You cannot feel the tape-ins on your head. It is not heavy. We used a total of 60 tape-ins. Also, when you're doing this, you don't want to put the tape-ins too close to the nape of your neck, because remember, you want to put it up in a high ponytail. So you don't want this to be in the way, and you don't want to be able to see it. The whole point of tape-ins is to look seamless, to blend in with your hair, and look very natural. So now that we've gotten to the side, what we're going to do is we're going to angle the tape-ins going up. She's only leaving a very small amount of hair in between certain rows, as you can see. At this point, I decided to speed it up a little bit because I felt like you guys should be getting the gist, you know? After you finish your tape-ins, you should be able to put it into many ponytails directly after. It should not be too close to the root, and it should not be too far from the root. Remember, your hair is going to grow in, so you don't want it to be too far, which will make it look old quicker. From here, we're going to work our way up to the top. All right, you guys, last step is styling. So we're going to go ahead and blow dry the extensions just to straighten it some more. And then from here, I'm going to flat iron, do some pin curls, and just get it to look sleek and shiny. All right, guys, so we're all pin curled. I was so excited to unpin curl the curls and just let everything hang because I was just excited to see what the end result was going to be. Here we have Iman going in and just releasing the curls. Guys, look how good that looks. Like, if you're not amazed, I'm gonna be amazed for you, because I was just in awe. Like, I just love it. And obviously I go to the gym a lot, so my hair does sweat out. It is gonna sweat out. So the good thing is, even when I put it in a ponytail, it still looks really good and fresh, and it's a little sweat out, but it's wearable. Okay, I'm gonna just say that. But for the most part, everything was great. The service was amazing. Like I said, I have an appointment coming up, my protein appointment coming up, so I'm excited for that. But I think my hair just feels so good. It feels healthy. It feels nice and full without it being too much. So again, we used a pack and a half according to Simone, and yeah, this is the end result. It just looks gorge. The tape-ins, I think, were more of a lighter brown color, but it actually blends in pretty well. And I actually couldn't really tell that there was a color difference, but it blended pretty well. So 10 out of 10. It's been 5 days since, no, it's been a week. It's been a week tomorrow since I've had these tape-ins in, and like I said, 10 out of 10 service, 10 out of 10 hair quality, 10 out of 10 install and how it feels. And definitely check them out. I have all the information for them down below. You will not be disappointed. Bye guys.